guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this Wonderboom 2. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started! So there you go, guys. So again, today we're going to unbox this. This is a Bluetooth speaker, and again, this one is a 13 hours battery on it. Plus, it's a waterproof. It's a drop proof, and it comes with 2 years warranty. Okay, so again, we're gonna start unboxing this. I'm so excited. Wow, beautiful color. It's beautiful color, guys. It comes with orange and gray. And again, the where you're going to put your power supply or charge, it's on the bottom of this unit, no? And so and again, it comes with the USB. I think it's a USB charger. And again, it comes with manuals and everything here, so I don't really need that one, but okay. So, but again, this speaker it cost like about 130 Canadian dollars, and just bought it in Amazon. It's really good, guys. Again, it's too light, and I don't know how many kilograms is this, but it's really light. So again, it's a 360 sound, and again on the bottom here is that you're going to do a outdoor boost, right? So instead of boosting loudness and clearly with audio, turn for outdoor listening. Okay. So it comes with that way. If you want to go for outdoor, just press on the bottom. And again, just powered on. And then there's 3 dots over here. There's a big one in the middle. And then I think it's an LED indicator here. Plus it's like where you're going to press your, there you go. So it's gonna be nice. I wanna try it again. Oh, so it means it's off. What about if you're going to turn on? There you go. So again, just press maybe 2 to 3 seconds and then release it, and it boom. Okay. So again, my preference here, it's really good. Again, it's so handy if you're gonna go for outing. No, summer is coming, so I think this is a good speaker. But we're gonna try it if I can go in here, and we're gonna listen some music. Okay, so all you have to do, guys, is to go on your phone and turn on your Bluetooth, and again, I'm gonna press that one. There you go. So, but again, all you have to do is to press on the middle one, and then on your phone, it will pop up right away. And then now it's connected. So we are going to listen some music with, I hope that there is a music that it's non-copyright. So at least we're not going to copyright it on, see, you can hear that one, non-copyright background music. So we're gonna try some music here that it's non-copyright music. We'll see. Yeah, so but again, you can hear that music. It's a little bit okay. it's a little bit okay. So we just try to press on the bottom. So now there's a light here if you want to go for outdoor. So it's gonna be louder a little bit if you're going to press the bottom one. And if we're gonna turn it off, you can see in your screen that it's already off, right? So if I'm gonna turn on the music again, yeah. So, but again, it's really good. I think for the outdoor, um, speaker that you can use this one for outdoor, for camping, whatever. So it's really good. So yeah, again, I gotta try some other music with the. I hope there's some music that there's no copyright here, so we're not gonna be copyrighted. We gotta find something. So again, it says here that it's gonna be 360. That's why I keep on turning around, and the music's still the same. I think there's I don't know how many speakers that they install this one here, but again, it's really good. Yeah, I think there's two speakers here, one on this side and one on the other side too. So I think there's two speakers here because I can hear if I'm going to turn around that way. But again, this is about $130. It's not that bad. It's really small, guys. It's like a baseball ball that you can, the big one, the large one. I think that's that how big it is. But again, I hope, guys, you enjoy watching me unboxing this Wonderboom speaker. This is a Wonderboom 2, and I hope, guys, you enjoy watching my unboxing here. And again, my preference, it's okay. Price is right probably because the music that we have this one here, it's really good for me. I am okay with that one. So, and again, this is a waterproof a Bluetooth speaker, and this is available online. I just got this one from Amazon for about $130 in Amazon. So not bad, guys. So again, it's up to you. If you have any question, just comment below. And again, if you're not yet subscribing, I hope you subscribe my channel. And again, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on this channel. And again, thank you so much again for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.